Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing another bag unboxing. So I told you guys in my last video that I was going to be doing a dupe bag unboxing, because if you haven't seen my previous video, I did unbox a bag that I purchased at Louis Vuitton, and it was probably one of the most expensive bags that I've ever paid for. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will put the link down below. But I did promise that the next video is going to be some more affordable but still luxurious bags. So that is what this video is going to be about. So if you are new here, hello, I'm Charla and I love to film pink girly shopping vlogs, bag unboxings. If it's pink, I want it, girl. So make sure you subscribe and like this video, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So this is the box. I have not opened it yet. I've only opened the top so we can save the time of cutting the top open. But this is from Girly Pink Boutique. She is on Instagram. I will link her information down below. I did do a bag unboxing of hers. I want to say last summer I did purchase a bag from her and I did an unboxing. It was like in a vlog. So I have purchased from her before and her bags are very good quality. So this isn't just a first impressions. Like, I already know her bags are going to be pretty good. So if you guys want to go support and give her a follow and check out her site, I will leave her information down below. So here's what it looks like on the inside, and we have a card here. So this is her handle. It's just Girly Pink Boutique, but like I said, I will put it down below. So let's go ahead and take off this bubble wrap that she had put in here. Oh my goodness, she has her own Chanel wrapping paper. That is so cute, girl. I love that. That is just so cute. So it's kind of like present, like the paper that you would wrap a present. Yeah, it's like wrapping paper, and it has the little Chanel logos on it. I'm gonna keep that because I can use that for something. It's cute. I like it. So it's like she has very good wrapping. Her skills on wrapping are immaculate. So let's see what she's put in here. She's put a ton of goodies. So I did purchase one bag from her because I really wanted it, and she said that she was going to send me some extra goodies along with it. So thank you so much, girl. I can already tell I'm gonna like everything in here. So the first thing that's in here is this cute doggy bedazzled keychain. I'm literally gonna put this on my keys right now. Like, how cute is that? Let me open it. This is so cute. Oh my god. And the little tassel, this is just so cute. This gives me like Victoria's Secret vibes, but this is how it looks. Oh my god, that's cute. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna put that over here, and I see another one. Oh, this one's a little teddy bear. How cute. Okay, let me open this. This is so cute, and it has a little poof chain on it. So here's what it looks like. Super cute. I love it. Thank you, girl. I'm gonna put that over there. Girl, this is so cute. She added a little LV inspired scarf in here. It's like a little bandeau. You can use it to like wrap on your bags, which is what I like to do. So thank you. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So it's like pink and brown. So this will look pretty on my brown nail noe bag. This is so cute. Look at that. That is so pretty, and it is like soft and silky. Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell that this is not real. Like, this legit looks very good. So thank you, girl. Okay, so let's get into what I'm most excited about, which is the bags. Oh, she put more stuff in here. Girl, you did not have to do that. This is so cute. So look at this Gucci hat. This is so pretty, and she knows that I love wearing hats, and I do. This is so cute. Thank you so much, girl. It's gonna ruin my hair. Oh, I just did my hair, but this is perfect because I am a hat person. Like, I only do my hair on the weekends, and the rest of the week I'm like literally in hats. So you're gonna be seeing me in this all week. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. So here is the bags. I'm so excited. So this is the bag that she sent me, and then I will show you guys the bag that I purchased from her. So I'm super excited to open that one. We're gonna open this one first. So this is a very, very pretty pink Dior bag that, you know, you guys know that I've been having bad luck with the Dior bags. There's already like 2 Dior bags in a row that I purchased that were supposed to be pink and they were like beige. You guys remember, like in my Christmas unboxing, and I ended up doing a giveaway and I just gave it away to one of you guys. So yeah, I don't have any pink Dior bags, so this one is definitely pink. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is the perfect shade of pink. Yes. Yes, with the pinks. This is the pink that I'm looking for, okay? Like, is it that hard to make a bag in this shade of pink? So I am so excited. This is beautiful. This is like a perfect everyday bag. So this is how it looks, and here's the back, and it has gold hardware. Oh my god, I can already think about the car pictures. You guys, I have been neglecting my beauty room lately, and I've just been like taking pictures like straight up just in my car. I've just been loving the car vibes lately, and I have some exciting news that I will tell you at the end of this video about why I haven't been posting pictures in my room, so just wait till the end of the video. But yeah, I can definitely see some cute car pics going up with this bag. So this also comes with the little keychains. It was like stuck inside the bag, but here's a little keychain that says Dior, and I'm gonna take this paper off so we can see the handles. That is just so pretty. And then it does have the flap on the inside, so you just open the flap and oh, she comes with a crossbody. This is so cute. So even the crossbody strap matches, which I'm obsessed because the past Dior bags that I've had, the crossbody strap is kind of like a different color. It's not the vibe, and then I end up just putting my own chain on it. Oh, and by the way, I like got rid of all of my Dior bags. If you guys missed that sale, I did like go on a crazy like bag declutter on my shop page. I'll leave my shop page down below, guys, because when I do sell bags or just things in my room, I usually go and post on that page. But I did get rid of like 7 bags. I got rid of all my Dior bags just because I just wanted to get rid of bags that I never touch and want to make room for bags that I know I'm going to use. So that is why I got rid of so many bags. But yeah, make sure you follow me on my shop page. It is the Flower Box Queen. And if I sell any more bags in the future, that is where I post. So yeah, I got rid of all my Dior bags. So now this is going to be the only Dior bag that I will have in my collection, but it is very beautiful, so I am not mad. And this is how it looks on the inside, and it has 1 pocket. But that is just so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna be obsessed with this bag. And here is what the strap looks like. I love, love, love this strap. I love that on the inside of the strap it says Christian Dior, and then on the other side it's pink. Like, how cute is that? This is so pretty, and it's pretty long, so I shouldn't have to worry about putting it crossbody. Hold on. I'm like, I shouldn't have to worry about putting it crossbody, but if not, I can always add my own chain. You guys know I always love adding my own chains to my bags just to extend the bag and make it super long for me, since I am tall. But yeah, other than that, I am really obsessed with this bag. I give this bag a 10 out of 10, girl. She is so cute, perfect size, and I'm obsessed with it. So thank you, girl, for sending me this bag. I'm obsessed, and get ready to see car pictures with this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side because now I need to make room for her on my shelf. Well, I have like 2 spots that are completely empty from how many bags I sold, so I just need to find a little spot for her. And the next bag is of course the Chanel bag. This is the bag that I purchased, and I have been wanting this bag ever since I've seen it floating around on the Discover page. I wanted it so bad. But you guys, I don't think I will ever own a real Chanel bag unless I become like Kylie Jenner rich, which I don't think will happen. But I don't think I would ever purchase a real Chanel bag because you know how much they cost, girl. I'm like, I barely was able to spend the amount I did on my LV bag. So yeah, the dupes will have to do for now, but luckily there's a lot of good dupes out there. So this one, when I saw it on her page, I was like, girl, I need this bag, please. I will do anything for it. Do not give it away. I want it. So let's see, she posted it on her stories, so it looked super beautiful, but let's see how it looks in person. So I'm gonna open up this wrapping. So here it is. Should I close my eyes for this one? Because I'm so excited about this one. So I think I'm gonna close my eyes. I think I'm gonna close my eyes for this one. Oh, they're still wrapping. I always do that. I'm like closing my eyes and I'm like, it's wrapping. Okay, oh my god, I already saw it. Too late. I'm out too late. I already saw it. Look at the side. So pretty. It is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen a bag so beautiful? Like, is this not like the prettiest bag? Okay, let me just finish unwrapping her so you guys can see her. Oh my god. So this is kind of like a tweed style bag, but it's like very soft. It's not like a hard tweed, it's like a soft tweed. I don't know, I don't really know bag materials that well, but it's that tweed type material. And I don't own a bag like this, so I wanted to get a bag that was very unique. It's just so pretty. Look at her. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, this is definitely something like a going out bag. It is very dressed up. It is so pretty. This is the 25C for you guys wanting to go and find this bag. It is the 25C. So if you're gonna be looking for that, make sure you ask for that style number. But this is how it looks on the inside. It is just a beautiful pale pink. And then here it is on the inside of the bag. And let me take this protective paper out. This is just so pretty. So it does have a pocket in the front, and then it has a big pocket here, and then it does have two pockets here. It comes with the little Chanel card, and I just think this bag is so pretty. It also has like a spare compartment back here, so you can pretty much fit a lot in this bag. I think this is really pretty. I want to open up and see how the straps look, so let me open that up really quick. So here is how the straps look. I will give you guys a little close-up. It is just so cute. So this bag you can put on your shoulder, which I love, and then you can also make it longer and put it crossbody, which I also love. So I am obsessed with this bag. I think it is so pretty. What do you guys think? So let me know down in the comments below. This is how she looks in the back. You can also put something back here. But this bag is just so pretty. It just screams like bougie. Like, I definitely have to wear this with a bougie outfit. But I love it. It is just gorgeous. And I'm so glad I got rid of a lot of my bags because I knew I wanted to add new and fun bags into my collection. So I am so glad I got rid of a lot. I will show you guys a little picture of my shelf. I got rid of a lot. But yeah, I'm going to be adding this to my collection. It is just so cute. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, like what bag I should try to get next, because now that I've gotten rid of so many bags, my shelves are just so empty. So I feel I'm like over here like I need more bags. Like, I don't have enough bags anymore. There's another bag that I do have coming very soon, but other than that, I need to know what you guys think. Should I be adding some? Coach has actually been coming out with a lot of cute bags, and Michael Kors. So if there's like a bag in specific that you guys want me to review, put it down in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing some more bag shopping soon. So yeah, that was it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And oh, I forgot to share what the news is, you guys. So I forgot to share the news. So I mean, there's two parts to my news, but I'm only going to share one part because the second part I'm not ready to reveal yet. But the first part of my news, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys because I'm so excited. I am moving! I am moving, you guys. So, and the best part is my beauty room's going to be even bigger, and I get to design it, like the floor. I get a walk-in closet. I get my own bathroom for the beauty room. Like, I am so excited. But yes, I'm going to be moving within the next month, so pretty soon I will be doing vlogs of me doing a transformation to my new room, because right now it needs a lot of work and love and paint and pink paint. So I will be vlogging pretty soon on how I transform my new beauty room. But I'm so excited to be moving, you guys. Me and Mark hate sharing a bathroom. We hate sharing a bathroom, so we are ready to move. And yeah, I'm super excited. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Well, you guys are gonna see it whether you want to or not. That is what I'm going to be vlogging pretty soon within the next few weeks. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. I'm so ready just for a new beauty room. I need more space for all of my things. So I'm super excited. So yeah, that is part of the news, and the other half of the news I will share with you guys later. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for all the support and love. It truly means the world to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!